My name is Christine Hodgdon, and I am living with metastatic breast cancer. I'm an individual member of the MBCA Alliance, and I also co-lead the research working group. Every advance in breast cancer care has been tested in a clinical trial. I wouldn't be alive today if it weren't for the patients in the 90s participating in a trial that tested Herceptin. But sadly, less than 5% of adult cancer patients actually enroll in cancer clinical trials. And that is for a variety of reasons, including time and financial limitations, insufficient infrastructure support, and restrictive eligibility criteria that prevents patients from qualifying for a trial. So when I reimagine clinical trials in the future, I see all of those barriers removed that I just mentioned, so that patients can actually access tomorrow's drug today. My pie in the sky idea is that all clinical trials will be decentralized in the future. And that means that you don't have to live nearby or travel long distances to a particular institution offering a clinical trial. It means that you would be able to access that trial from anywhere. And that I would love to see the burden of accessing these trials removed from the patients. My call to action is that if you are a researcher or a clinician who designs clinical trials, please be more inclusive of patients. Please design trials that don't exclude patients with brain metastasis, for example, or leptomeningeal disease, or patients that don't have measurable disease, like many lobular breast cancer patients, or patients with other comorbidities. There are many, many patients who are eager and willing to participate in a clinical trial, but can't because they're excluded. If you're a patient and you are offered a clinical trial, please participate. In my case, I was offered a symptom management trial to reduce neuropathy in my hands and feet while receiving Taxol. So your participation can not only help future patients, but it may even expand options beyond standard of care for yourself.